Have you ever wondered why the sea doesn't just flood the land completely? After all, oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. What keeps the water from advancing and taking over everything? Well, this happens because of a natural balance between the sea and the land's terrain. First, let's talk about gravity. It's like an invisible force that keeps everything in place. Seawater is pulled toward the lowest areas, forming the oceans. Higher areas, like mountains, hills, and plains, act as natural barriers that stop the sea from advancing. Another important factor is the movement of the water. Tides, caused by the influence of the sun and the moon, make sea levels rise and fall every day. But even with this constant movement, it doesn't lead to a permanent invasion. Ocean currents and waves also help redistribute the water, but without breaking this balance. We also can't forget the role of geology. Coasts, with their cliffs, beaches, and coral reefs, act as natural shields against the sea. In many regions, mangroves and other coastal formations also help protect the land. But this balance isn't unchangeable. With global warming, sea levels are slowly rising. Melting polar ice and increasing temperatures threaten to disrupt this balance. Extreme events like hurricanes and tsunamis can also cause temporary advances of the sea. So, what have we learned? The sea doesn't flood the land because there's a harmony between the forces of nature, the terrain, and the water's movements. But like everything on our planet, this balance is fragile and depends on us to preserve it. So, what do you think? Had you ever thought about this before? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.